Living Room Makeover. Simple DIY ideas for a fresh summer look. With summer comes new beginnings, and what better way to start fresh than by giving your living room a makeover? Whether you're looking to update your space for a change of season, or simply want to refresh your home, there are plenty of DIY ideas that can transform your living room into a bright and airy summer oasis. In this video, we'll provide you with 10 simple DIY ideas for a fresh summer look in your living room. This program is brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. Tip number 1. Bring in natural elements. One easy way to add a fresh summer look to your living room is by incorporating natural elements such as plants or flowers. Adding a vase of fresh flowers or a few potted plants can add a touch of greenery and brightness to your space. Tip number 2. Play with colors. Summer is all about bright and vibrant colors. Consider updating your living room with colorful accent pillows, throws, or curtains to give your space a fresh and vibrant look. Tip number 3. Rearrange your furniture. A simple furniture rearrangement can make a big impact in your living room. Consider moving your furniture away from the walls and closer together to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Tip number 4. Create a gallery wall. A gallery wall is an easy and affordable way to add personality and style to your living room. Choose artwork or photos that reflect your personal style and arrange them in a way that complements your space. Tip number 5. Add a statement piece. A statement piece, such as a bold rug or an eye-catching piece of furniture, can add a pop of color and style to your living room. Choose a piece that complements your existing decor and reflects your personal style. Tip number 6. Update your lighting. Lighting can make a big impact on the look and feel of your living room. Consider adding a new lamp or light fixture to brighten up your space and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Tip number 7. Switch up your curtains. Switching up your curtains can instantly update the look of your living room. Consider choosing light and airy curtains that will allow natural light to flow into your space. Tip number 8. Incorporate textures. Incorporating different textures can add depth and interest to your living room. Consider adding a plush rug or cozy throw to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Tip number 9. Update your coffee table. Your coffee table is a central piece in your living room, and updating it can instantly refresh your space. Consider adding a new tray or a few decorative items to create a stylish and functional centerpiece. Tip number 10. Clean and declutter. Finally, the most important step in any living room makeover is to clean and declutter your space. Clearing away clutter and giving your living room a thorough cleaning can make a big impact in creating a fresh and inviting summer look. With these 10 simple DIY ideas, you can easily transform your living room into a bright and airy summer oasis. Whether you choose to add natural elements, play with colors, rearrange your furniture, create a gallery wall, add a statement piece, update your lighting, switch up your curtains, incorporate textures, update your coffee table, or clean and declutter your space, a fresh summer look is within reach. Remember to have fun and get creative with your living room makeover and enjoy your new space all season long. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this video.